Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPad runs a recent iOS and that you're signed into your Apple ID. Once done, open Settings and tap your name to verify iCloud and payment details. This enables Apple Music access. Next, open the App Store or the Music app to confirm an active Apple Music subscription or family sharing. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and storage is available. These steps let the Music app sync your library and prepare. Now you enable syncing and pull your content onto the iPad. Go to Settings, select Music, and toggle Sync Library. When you see a merge prompt, choose Merge so cloud tracks combine with local ones. Then open the Music app, navigate to Library, Playlists, or for you to locate items and tap the download icon to store offline. Make sure background app refresh is permitted and cellular data for music is set if you want on-the-go streaming. These steps ensure songs appear and stay available. Finish by optimizing playback and handling problems quickly. In Settings, Music adjust EQ, crossfade, and download quality so playback matches your preference. If tracks are missing, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, then toggle Sync Library off and on. Restart the iPad after that. Make sure you have enough storage, your iOS is current, and subscription billing is active. If syncing still fails, try deleting and re-downloading the Music app. That usually resolves leftover issues and restores access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.